Hey there, business enthusiasts. Today, let's dive into a spicy topic: Chick-fil-A versus Raising Cane's. Who's winning the fast food war? First, let's talk about Chick-fil-A. Founded in 1946, Chick-fil-A has built a reputation on quality service and delicious chicken sandwiches. Their business strategy revolves around three pillars: exceptional customer service, a simple menu, and strategic location choices. Chick-fil-A is legendary for its customer service. Employees are trained to go the extra mile, creating a welcoming atmosphere that keeps customers coming back. They're known for their "my pleasure" response, a small touch that makes a big difference. Their menu is simple, focusing primarily on chicken sandwiches, nuggets, and waffle fries. By keeping it straightforward, Chick-fil-A can maintain high quality and streamline operations. This simplicity also helps in reducing food waste and improving speed of service. Strategically, Chick-fil-A chooses its locations wisely, often in suburban areas and near shopping centers. They also close on Sundays, which might seem like a disadvantage, but it actually builds anticipation and loyalty among customers. Plus, it emphasizes their commitment to values, which resonates deeply with their core audience. Now let's switch gears to Raising Cane's. Founded in 1996, this chain has quickly grown a cult following with its focus on chicken fingers. Their strategy is also built on simplicity, customer service, and a strong brand culture. Raising Cane's menu is even simpler than Chick-fil-A's. They primarily serve chicken fingers, Texas toast, crinkle-cut fries, and coleslaw. This laser focus allows them to perfect their offerings and ensure consistency across all locations. Customer service at Raising Cane's is top-notch too. They emphasize a fun and friendly environment, which is reflected in their energetic staff and vibrant store design. A key part of Raising Cane's strategy is their community involvement. They actively participate in local events, sponsor sports teams, and support nonprofits. This grassroots approach helps them build a loyal customer base and strong local presence. When it comes to location strategy, Raising Cane's often targets college towns and urban areas, aiming to attract younger, energetic crowds. Their locations are designed to be social hubs, encouraging customers to hang out and enjoy their meals. So, who's really winning the fast food war? It's a tough call. Chick-fil-A dominates with their widespread recognition and exceptional customer service. On the other hand, Raising Cane's is rapidly gaining ground with its focused menu and community-driven approach. In the end, both chains have carved out their own unique niches in the fast food industry. Chick-fil-A's emphasis on values and service complements Raising Cane's fun, community-focused culture. For business enthusiasts, the takeaway here is clear. Success in the fast food industry isn't just about the food. It's about creating an experience, building a brand, and connecting with your audience. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more business insights. Catch you next time.